All right, well, we got us a new Blackstone griddle for our camper. Open this thing up and put it together. Shouldn't take long. And see what this thing's like. Hang tight. Okay, here she is all put together. I can say one thing, they sure do know how to pack a box well. This is like playing Tetris, unpacking all this stuff. This was really well packaged. So this has a little 17-inch griddle. Of course, I'll need to season it. It's got the grease tray that'll go in the back. Very nice. Here we've got the side burner. That's just the lid for it. With the side burner, you can actually, this thing actually came with and I haven't taken it completely apart yet, but you would remove that grate and in its place, put this if you wanted to do some fries, do some, corn dogs, churros, fried shrimp, donuts, whatever you wanted to fry up. So it would be great to do burgers and fries at the same time. Or, if you're cooking burgers, you want to have a little pot of beans over here or something. I don't know what you guys eat with burgers other than fries, but I think this thing's going to be pretty nice. And it's, as some of y'all may have seen one of my other videos. I made some pizza, and one of the pizza oven that I used was from Camp Chef. So the Camp Chef is basically, it's probably the size of a little bit bigger than this whole thing together with the griddle. And that thing is just heavy, and it's a beast, and it's, for us and a family of 5, this is more than sufficient. That Camp Chef is probably for a family of 10. So to cut back on some weight and just, lugging it in and out of the trailer whenever we need to use it, I think we're going to go with this. I'm going to set this up on a little table or on the picnic table at the campsite or whatever and use it. And I think this will be real nice. One of the things I also like about this is it has a lid over the griddle. So if you're cooking stuff, you can kind of close the lid and help keep some of the heat in. So I'm going to clean this thing up, take off all the stickers, get the griddle seasoned, and I'm going to put this thing to use here next week when we go camping. And heck, maybe when we go, we'll make a video of it and how it performs. So thanks for watching, and that'll do it for this little mini review of the new Blackstone Adventure Ready 17-inch tabletop combo. Alright, so I'm in my backyard now. I've got this thing fairly well seasoned. Took an hour and a half, 2 hours to get it here. One thing I like, these knobs are really nice. It started up first time, no problem. Compared to the Camp Chef, obviously this thing doesn't have near the firepower. It's a lot smaller. I believe this thing is 22,000 BTUs total, where the Camp Chef, the 2-burner Camp Chef that we carry around, is actually 60,000 BTUs. So each burner is 30. So it's a lot more powerful than than this one is, but we're not going to be cooking for a small army, so I think this is going to do just fine. I'm excited to start cooking on this thing. So we're going to be going on a trip, and I think we're going to use this thing and see how it performs. And actually, probably before that, I may cook something up there this evening just to test it out. So once again, this is I got this thing at Walmart. It's the Blackstone Adventure Ready, and it's the 17-inch griddle combo, and it does have the, let me get over here, it does have the, you know, fryer basket attachment. You know, and you would take this cover off, put that on there, and so we're excited to try it out. So thanks again for watching.